Well, howdy, kids. Here we are in my wonderful garage slash workshop. And today's item is a cat running into the garage. Today's item is a plexiglass acrylic enclosure for my Ender 5 Pro 3D printer. I'm never going to build anything out of acrylic again. This stuff is incredibly fragile. Um, it's heavy. Um, I'll spend the extra dollars for Lexan. Um, but enough about that. We have 3D printed hinges, and we have a front door that opens up. We have an access door to the control panel, and we have a lid that will just go right on over and close down there. Everything fits pretty nice, like my choice of shoes today. Everything fits pretty nice. The Bowden tube does get kind of close down there, but no harm, no foul. It'll print way out to that side without causing any trouble whatsoever. And I've got, as you can see, more than enough height for that tube. I guess that's all I'm going to say about that. Door closure will be by magnets. I haven't installed those yet, but that'll hold it fairly close, or fairly tight. I'm not looking really to put a heater in it just yet, and I do realize that I'll have to supply outside air to keep this guy cool. Right now it's providing a little heat actually for the enclosure, but I don't want to get it too hot. I don't want to fry my board. I'm hoping that lack of errant drafts and a more uniform temperature during printing will help with some of the trickier prints that I intend to do. And that's all I'm going to say about that. For real this time. Later. Thanks for watching.